everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rituja, and today's day is very special for me because from today I'm going to start a 7 days English speaking challenge. Yes, and in this challenge I am just going to speak. Yes, I'm going to speak in English, and the most important thing is I am not going to cut any part of my video. Like, I will post the video in that I'm speaking English as it is. I am not going to cut any part of that, and the main my motive is to why I am making this series, that I am not consistent because I decide daily that today I will learn English for 2 hours. I will speak English. I will do my speaking practice, but I am not doing that consistently. So because of that, I decided that I will post video regularly so that I can do my speaking practice consistently, right? And this series is going to help me and help you also to do speaking practice. This series is going to help you as well because you also forget to do speaking practice, right? Let me know in the comment that I am saying right or wrong. You also forget to do speaking practice, so you can also do your speaking practice with me, right? Like right now I'm speaking English, so you can also speak with me, right? If you are also speaking with me, you are shadowing, then your English speaking practice will also done. Okay, so this series is going to help so much to you, to me, and I just want to improve my English. I want to become fluent in English, and because of that I decided that yeah, I'm going to do this series. I'm not going to think that am I getting views or not. No, I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to post it. And I'm not going to cut any part of my video. I will post my video as it is I record. Right? I know somewhere I stuck in English while speaking, but okay, that is okay. I'm learning, right? And I'm doing this series for improving English speaking. Okay, and if you are also learning English, then you can also join me. You can also join my journey, right? You are also learning English and I am also learning English, so you can also join my journey, speak with me, follow to the channel, subscribe to my channel and follow the journey. Okay, so in these series I'm going to speak English. I'm going to speak English on any topic. Like today, it is a day one, by the way. It is day one of a 7 days English speaking challenge. And today I'm going to speak about my series. Like yeah, this is going to happen in our series. So yeah, this is day one. And in day two, I will speak on some topic. Like this is, I'm going to speak on some topics, right? So like suppose you give me one topic, then I will speak on that. Like this kind of English speaking practice I'm going to do. Okay, and yeah, right now also I'm getting stuck while making sentences, that how should I make this and all, right? So I just want to not do this. So because of that I'm doing this series. Right now also I'm stucking somewhere, that what should I say, how I will say this and that. So right now also I'm stucking somewhere, and I don't want to do that. I want to improve and I want to become fluent, right? So this series is going to help you so much, and I'm telling you, if you are also a English speaking learner, then do speaking practice with me, right? I'm also speaking, then you also speak with me, speak along with me, shadow me. You can see the subtitle on the screen, so just speak that. Okay, because speaking practice helps us so much to improve our English. You also have some topic, then you can let me know in the comments that yeah, I will read your topic and I will speak on that also. So if you have any topic, then you can also tell me in the comment section. I will try to do my best, and I will try to not make many mistakes because I'm learning. So if I make any mistake, then please let me know in the comments politely. Okay, so if I made any mistake, then let me know in the comments. You know my main agenda, that why I'm doing this series, there is a reason. because I'm just giving excuses to myself that today I have this work, tomorrow I'm going to do this, then I don't have time, how can I do my speaking practice? Like this kind of excuses I'm giving to myself, and I really don't want to do this. So because of that, I decided that no, in anyhow, if I don't have time, I will take out some time, but I will definitely do this challenge, right? So yeah, it is challenge. I am going to do this challenge very focused. I am going to do this on very focused, and yeah, in these series I will do my best. Yes, as much as I can speak English, I will try to do my best. And yeah, I know that I will complete this challenge. I'm not going to say like, no, I'm not gonna do. No, I will do that. So yeah, I've decided that yeah, I'm going to do that. If you are also suffering with English, then this is also a good opportunity for you to do your speaking practice. When you watch my videos, you can also speak English, you can see the text, so just try to speak that. Okay, so this challenge is going to help you also so much. So if you are new on this channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So yeah, this was our day 2. See you in our day sorry, this was our day 1. See you in our day 2, and if you have some topic, then you can also tell me that in the comment section. So yeah, that is for today. See you in our day 2. Till then, bye.